Welcome to Don Carinderia series. If you could only eat one food or one dish for the rest of your life, what would it be? Probably my answer would be my ultimate comfort food. And that is, drum roll please, the chicken tinola. It is so satisfying when you're sipping the broth of chicken tinola when it's raining outside, or when you're super hungry because you got stuck in traffic, and when you see the chicken tinola at the table, oh my god, it's so heavenly. Okay, I'm good. So today I'm gonna show you how I cook this favorite dish of mine, the ever humble chicken tinola. Let's prepare the ingredients. So chicken tinola won't be chicken tinola without the ginger. So let's start with the ginger. Slice your ginger into strips. Once you're done, place it in a bowl and set it aside. What we're doing here is called mise en place. It's a French term that means to prepare everything before you cook. That is why in cooking shows you see everything in small bowls. Next, we're gonna mince some garlic. When you're done with the garlic, place it in a bowl, set it aside. Then let's go to our onions. Slice them up. Once you're finished with the onions, place them in a bowl, set it aside. When cooking tinola, there's team papaya and there's team sayote. I am on team papaya 100%. Once you're done slicing your papaya, put them in a bowl, set it aside. And then there's Team Chili Leaves and Team Malunggay. I don't enjoy tinola with malunggay at all. I am sorry. Okay, we're going to take out all the leaves from the stalks, put them all in a bowl, and set them aside. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's start cooking. On medium heat, let's saute your ginger first. What we're doing here is we want to infuse the oil with the flavors of the ginger. After a few minutes, cook the onions until translucent. Then we're gonna add the garlic. Be careful not to burn them. So we will add the chicken now. Layer them all on the pan. Let them rest on one side. We are actually browning the chicken. It's a big turn off when you see tinola with super white chicken. It's so pale and it's not appetizing. So check your chicken. If it's not pink anymore, flip it. To add umami to our chicken tinola, we are adding fish sauce. Keep cooking your chicken. When you're turning your chicken, be sure to baste the chicken with the ginger sauce, so this will enhance the flavor of the chicken. This part is optional. You may add chicken cube, Again, we're not adding vodka to our tinola. This is just plain water. Bring it to a boil and then simmer until the chicken is tender. You may cover the pan at this point. And of course, we need to season our broth with salt and pepper. When the chicken is already tender, add your papaya. Simmer until it's all tender. For cakes, you have icing. But for chicken tinola, you have the chili leaves. That said, we're gonna add our chili leaves now. Not just one, not just two. Wait for it. But 3 loads of chili leaves. Oh, hallelujah. Now this is the best time to taste your food. If it needs more salt, more pepper, try to adjust the taste according to your preference. Simmer for 2 more minutes and your tinola is ready to serve. Let me present to you my ultimate comfort food, chicken tinola. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.